this quick tutorial, you will learn some tips and tricks when accessing your Moodle course through the app on a phone or tablet. You will need to visit the App Store on your device and download the app. Make sure to select the one labeled Moodle Official App for Mobile. Type in the RCS Moodle URL. If you are a student at the virtual campus, please make sure to connect with the virtual campus URL. All other RCS users need to use the other URL. Once you type in the URL, click Connect to the site. For this video, we will connect to the virtual campus Moodle URL. You will then see a screen to sign in with your district username and password. Note, you should not include your @rcs-k12.us to the end of your username. You can then navigate your dashboard to access your courses. Just click on the course you would like to open. At the bottom of the dashboard, you can locate your calendar, upcoming events, and timeline of assignments and activities. You can also use the calendar icon at the bottom to see a full list of upcoming assignments. Many of your teachers use Google Docs and Google Slides to share lesson content and assignments. In order to edit these assignments and submit them, you will need to download each app. You can find the apps inside the App Store on your device. You might find that your teacher asks you to take a photo of your classwork or assignment and submit it as a PDF through Moodle. For the remainder of this tutorial, we will go over the steps to convert a photo to PDF using an iPhone or iPad. Open your camera app and take a photo of your homework and assignment you need to submit. Open the Photos app and choose the picture you want to convert to a PDF. Tap on the Share button. Choose Print from the Sharing option action menu. Use your fingers to stretch the photo to fit the screen. This then allows you to access the secret Save PDF option. Select Save to Files. You will probably have to scroll down to see this option. Then rename the PDF. Click where it says Photo and type in your new file name. It's always good to include your name on your file. You can also choose which folder you want to save the file to. Then choose Save. Next, open your Moodle app and go to the assignment within the course you need to upload. Click on the Add Submission button and a window will pop up for you to select the file. Click on the PDF to upload. Click Save in the top right-hand corner. A confirm message will appear and you will need to click OK. We hope these tips help you as you use the Moodle app on your phone or tablet.